Green tea ice cream. Ingredients: matcha powder 10 grams, milk 200 milliliters, cream 200 milliliters, sugar 100 grams. Cooking procedures. 1. Dissolve matcha powder in a little milk and mix with remaining milk, cream and sugar. 2. Put the blended ice cream mix into the ice cream maker. 3. The final step is to freeze it. Green tea mousse. Ingredients: matcha powder 10 grams, gelatin 5 grams, sugar 50 grams, cream 200 milliliters. Cooking procedures. 1. Reconstitute gelatin with water and dissolve. 2. Mix matcha powder, sugar and cream. Add dissolved gelatin and mix well. 3. Pour the mousse mixture into a container and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours to harden. Matcha pancake. Ingredients: light flour 200 grams, matcha powder 10 grams, sugar 30 grams, baking powder 10 grams, milk 200 milliliters, eggs 2, butter 30 grams. Cooking procedures. 1. Combine flour, matcha powder, sugar and baking powder in a bowl. 2. In a separate bowl, mix milk, eggs, and melted butter. Add to dry ingredients and mix well. 3. Pour the batter into the pan and cook on both sides over medium heat. Green tea cheesecake. Ingredients: cream cheese 200 grams, sugar 80 grams, matcha powder 10 grams, eggs 3. Cooking procedures. 1. Combine cream cheese, sugar, and matcha powder in a bowl and mix well. 2. Add eggs one at a time while mixing to form a smooth cream. 3. Pour the cream into a tart mold made of cookie dough and bake in the oven at 160 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Green tea Daifuku. Ingredients: Shiratama flour 150 grams, matcha powder 10 grams, red bean paste is needed. Cooking procedures. 1. Put the Shiratama flour and matcha powder in a bowl and gradually add hot water to make sticky Shiratama dough. 2. Roll the Shiratama dough into a small round shape and wrap it around the Enko sweet bean paste. 3. Boiled white balls are soaked in water to cool, drained, and finished. Green tea roll cake. Ingredients: eggs 4, sugar 100 grams, flour 80 grams, matcha powder 10 grams. Cooking procedures. 1. Whisk egg yolks and sugar. Add flour and matcha powder. 2. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg whites, adding the sugar while whisking thoroughly. 3. Add the egg whites to the egg yolk mixture and mix briskly. 4. Pour the dough into a baking dish before baking and bake in the oven at 180 C for 12 to 15 minutes. Green tea bread. Ingredients: strong flour 400 grams, matcha powder 10 grams, sugar 30 grams, salt 5 grams, yeast 5 grams, water 250 milliliters. Cooking procedures. 1. Combine the strong flour, matcha powder, sugar, and salt in a bowl. Add the yeast and water, and knead. 2. Ferment the kneaded dough, shape it, and bake it in the oven at 180 C for 20 to 25 minutes. Green tea pudding. Ingredients: milk 400 milliliters, sugar 80 grams, matcha powder 10 grams, egg yolks 4. Cooking procedures. 1. Combine milk, sugar, and matcha powder in a saucepan and heat. 2. After whisking the egg yolks, gradually add the hot milk mixture. 3. Make caramel and pour into pudding cups. 4. Heat pudding cups in a steamer and refrigerate to harden. Green tea tart. Ingredients: 1 tart article, 200 grams matcha cream, and fruit, as desired. Cooking procedures. 1. Line a tart tin with pastry dough and bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. 2. Fill the baked tart with matcha cream and refrigerate. 3. After chilling, Decorate with fruit of your choice to complete the dish. Green tea chiffon cake. Ingredients: eggs 6, sugar 100 grams, flour 120 grams, matcha powder 10 grams, oil 60 milliliters, milk 60 milliliters. Cooking procedures: 1. Whisk egg yolks and sugar, then add flour and matcha powder. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg whites, adding the sugar while whisking thoroughly. 3. Add the egg whites to the egg yolk mixture and mix briskly. 4. Pour the dough into the molds and bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes.